What we're showing here at Automate 2023 is an updated version of the 3-robot cell that we did with real-time robotics. And what we're simulating here is obviously the 3 robots working on a computer chassis for assembly or disassembly. We've done a number of applications for recycling where we're taking components out of phones or PCs. And the partnership between us and real-time robotics has been a long and deep one, both here in the US and in Japan. And what we're showing as well is the capability of the path generation and collision avoidance. And this is very important in today's manufacturing environments because you're allowed to have now smaller work cells, so your density of robots per square foot is much higher and you can get faster throughput. You were trying to do this discretely by programming each robot independently and coordinating the moves. The programming is a very big undertaking, and in today's economy, you simply don't have the time or possibly the skills to do that. With this type of scenario, the robots take care of that anti-collision and path optimization themselves. So if I would take a robot out, or if I would even add a 4th robot or points to them, it's going to automatically adjust and pick the best path versus doing it manually. I'm going to have to reprogram the robots with discrete signals and incorporate those extra moves. You can see that we're using 3 different sizes of our robots. As long as we have the models into real-time robotics, which we do, you can do that very interchangeably. We could be pulling robots in and out or mix and matching the sizes.